I've definitely grown in confidence and just my assurance in myself and the skills that I'm learning here. I feel like I'm definitely a different person than when I first started, where I was nervous or kind of double guessing myself on things, but now I can fully say with confidence that I did it, I made it, I put in the work, and I'm ready to take on the next clinic floor. It's a very valuable moment, and just to kind of reflect that we're almost there once again and that it's almost official, and just kind of it's opening a new door, but closing another one from being an undergrad. Last fall was, I feel my best year that I've had on campus. So far, I was able to work with larger animals and be more hands-on, and then I also got to do participate in surgery for a spay and neuter, so I actually gowning up and scrubbing in, and I also got to be an anesthetist for the first time, which was really scary, but thankfully my instructors are very supportive, and obviously they know better than I do and what they're doing, and they were able to monitor me and just kind of coach me and reassure me that I'm doing okay and everything was gonna be fine. I think what I'll miss most is just seeing teachers and my peers on a daily basis. Obviously there's a purpose for everybody being here, and it's just kind of holding strong to what I originally had and why I wanted to start, and just to picture myself at the end product with me with my degree and my white coat and my certification, and just knowing that there are animals on the other side that need me and are waiting for me to finish my journey here at Michigan State in order to take care of them.
Sydnee Pierce, being coded by Isabel Green and Gina Malpelli.